Hello friends, today I have with me a small speech on the Independence Day of India. 15th August is an essential day of the year for a country because it marks the independence of our country. We might have read about the struggles of Indian men and women under British rule and their contribution to bringing this country freedom. But I can assure that only the iceberg's peak is known. What we read is incomparable to the sacrifices made and the hardships our ancestors and country people had to go through for approximately 190 years. The blood of martyrs, unless India got freedom, used to haunt the country. But now, that same blood that brought this country freedom is as precious as the blood being pumped in every Indian at present. The celebration of Independence Day is done quite vastly in India. On this day, the cities and our hearts reflect the tricolor notion of the nation's flag, and the anthem can be heard from different directions. Even though Independence Day is observed as a national holiday, but it is expected to students and employees to attend the flag hoisting ceremony held on the grounds or rooftop. On Independence Day, schools and colleges organize a special program along with the flag hosting ceremony. That function is done to celebrate the notion of independence and also to pay tribute to the freedom fighters because of whom we can celebrate this day. The functions of Independence Day normally comprise of independence of Indian concept based skits or plays, speeches by students or employees. Other performances on Independence Day event that are common are recitation, solo, duet or choir patriotic song singing, dances on the patriotic song that fill audiences' hearts with gratitude for the sacrifices made for bringing us freedom. In the nation's capital, to be precise, in Red Fort, Independence Day is celebrated every year in the presence of political and social dignitaries. They pay their homage to the nation's superheroes, freedom fighters. The flag of the country is hoisted in the presence of Prime Minister and the President. The tradition of celebrating Independence Day is upheld in India so that the young generations are aware of the sacrifices once made to make this country a better place to live for them. Also, the youth is made aware of the developments that have taken place since India got independence. In conclusion, bringing independence to India by freeing it from the British rule was not easy, and 15th August of every year is celebrated to pay respect to the culmination of struggle, hardships, and sacrifices made by Indians to bring this country freedom. Thank you. Jai Hind.